Greetings, folks. Now this is the one. This is a Triang set that I bought back in May from a chap who'd had it stored in his parents' back shed for 40 years. I've already put a few videos up about this, about unboxing it from its shoebox and doing a partial service on it, and those two videos are on YouTube. So, and also it didn't start after I did a preliminary service on it. So I got to work on the armature, which looked like a porcupine. It had loose wires poking up all over the place, which I tried to solder down, and I had a bit of success for a while, but it did actually run for about 5 seconds, and then more wires popped out and got to the stage where it just gave up the ghost. I couldn't do anything more with it. So I had a spare bogey, an old bogey around in the parts bin, so I swapped the architrave over, armature over, and put the matching wheels on as well, and now it's going pretty good. It's got the same bogey, the same power bogey, but with the replacement armature and replacement matching wheels. So we'll just see how it goes. Okay, just hang on, we'll get it going. There she goes. Not bad, eh? The rust on this set was incredible. Rust in the contacts, etc. I really had to spend a lot of time doing it. A lot of time fixing it up. It's going pretty well now, after 40 years in a back shed. Okay, folks, that's it for now. Just got a few more things to do on it. Put the lights in, for example. Just got one question. Where do all these fuel tanks get to? I've got a few with fuel tanks, but I've got a few without them. What do people do with the fuel tanks? If somebody out in YouTube land can help me with that, just let me know. Okay, guys and girls, see you next time.